Which U.S. state is called the volunteer state? A. Kentucky, B. Tennessee, C. Alabama, D. Arkansas. The correct answer is B. Tennessee. Which country is known for the Great Barrier Reef? A. Philippines, B. Fiji, C. Indonesia, D. Australia. The correct answer is D. Australia. Which U.S. city is famous for the Liberty Bell? A. Boston, B. Philadelphia, C. Washington, D. Baltimore. The correct answer is B. Philadelphia. Which country is known for tulips and windmills? A. Denmark, B. Switzerland, C. Belgium, D. Netherlands. The correct answer is D. Netherlands. Which U.S. state is called the Show Me State? A. Missouri, B. Kansas, C. Iowa, D. Nebraska. The correct answer is A. Missouri. Which country is home to Machu Picchu? A. Chile, B. Mexico, C. Peru, D. Bolivia. The correct answer is B. Peru. Which U.S. state is famous for bourbon whiskey? A. Kentucky, B. Tennessee, C. Georgia, D. Virginia. The correct answer is A. Kentucky. Which country is known as the land of the midnight sun? A. Iceland, B. Finland, C. Sweden, D. Norway. The correct answer is D. Norway. Which U.S. city is famous for country music? A. Dallas, B. Austin, C. Nashville, D. Memphis. The correct answer is C. Nashville. Which river is famous for diamonds? A. Amazon, B. Congo, C. Orinoco, D. Mississippi. The correct answer is B. Congo. Comment your answer below and subscribe to US Brain Test for more.